Frank Kimbrough, Platinum Senior Vice President. Before I got involved with 5 Links, I was very successful.
My husband and I had built a successful real estate practice, and at that time, we were all about diversifying our income within real estate.
We was having much success in real estate, and as real estate took its turn, so did our income.
Real estate was a very stressful business. It was very time-consuming. I spent a lot of time away from my family and made a lot of money, but didn't have a lot of time.
So us not really looking for an opportunity, we did see suit that we knew we had to do something.
And so when we first heard about it, at least I first heard about it, I was very skeptical.
She had tried other companies before, and she never really had any success.
Believe it or not, on our way to a presentation, we had some real estate challenges. So we missed the presentation. The co-founder, Jeb Tyler, gave my husband a call and said, well, you missed the presentation, but join me for dinner. Started to get a little excited too, because I thought, wow, he took the time out to, give us a call.
And when we met him for dinner, Jeb Tyler just invited me and my wife to just get to a national convention. And when we got to that national convention, what we saw was just everyday people. Thousands and thousands of people all having a positive attitude. So at that point in time, I knew I was in the right place. We got started 3 days from that convention, and we was able to hit one of the top positions in 132 days with no prior network marketing experience. So to get up on that stage and to see my lovely wife excited and happy, I tell you, that was one of the greatest moments of my life. First of all, she's not just my business partner, she's my best friend in the whole wide world.
We really complement each other very well. He has his strengths, and I have my strengths, and we respect each other. And it's so exciting to be able to build this business with him and grow this business with him, because he is just an incredible guy.
We build our team very strong. And my wife, she come up with some of the greatest ideas, and I just got all the hustle to just drive them through. So I think we got the winning combination, and to tell you one thing about it, she got the look to make it look a whole lot better. So I love my wife.
He's an incredible man, incredible father, just a great all-around guy, and he just has a heart of gold, and he definitely wants to help everybody, and not just himself. He really wants to change the world with this opportunity.
When I see my senior vice presidents getting promoted, my national directors getting promoted to senior vice presidents, that's probably the most rewarding part of this business, is when you are able to help other people to get to the top. And by default, you automatically win. So that's the most exciting thing for me.
I never believed that I could touch so many lives. I mean, being in real estate, I really love to help people. But in this business, it really allows me to help people on a much grander scale. The entire team just surprised us at one of the meetings and presented this award to us. And it really, just showed to us that what we're doing out here every day is really, really, it's touching people's lives. It's really helping them. And it really can free a person up the same way that we were freed up. Freedom is just so important to me that 5 Links provides, because that's what I need in my life. Because my time is my own, I can really invest my time and invest it wisely, doing a very important work, sharing, the hope in the Bible with others. My priority is my children, of course, and being a mother.
I love being a dad, and I just had my last child. He's 4 years old, and we're able to go to parks when it's not crowded. We're able to eat ice cream and not wait in line, all because of this opportunity. I'm able to spend those mornings with him. So definitely, that's one of the most beautiful things. Chicago is a great place for the kids. Me and my wife, we can eat, and the kids can eat at some of the best restaurants, greatest food all around the world. Another thing that I love the most is Navy Pier. Just being able to have one solid place where you could just take your kids at, they could have a good time.
I love to, get a girlfriend or two and just drop the top in the BMW and, just let the wind blow through our hair. Just see the beautiful city of Chicago. I love the Magnificent Mile.
I'm able to take rides with my wife, riding our Harley Davidson. And I tell you, I've been all across the country, but it's nothing like me and my wife just riding down Lakeshore Drive. You know, those moments and times is just priceless. Letting the wind just blow back.
I love to travel.
The company flew us into Spain, and then we loaded a cruise where we went to Rome, Italy, France. I always knew, being a successful businessman, that I was going to get to Europe. I just never knew it was going to be for free.
I always wanted to meet Oprah Winfrey, but I never believed that one of my business partners in 5 Links would actually have that happen. We went to the Oprah Winfrey show, and it was an incredible show. But what was more than that was my business partner actually invited us backstage. There I was in the green room, and here comes Oprah Winfrey. And she walked right up to me, and she said, "Hi." That is one of the best things about this business, because it's actually helping dreams come true. All my life, I really feel like my career path had prepared me for 5 Links.
My dreams was always to retire at the age of 50. But when the real estate market took a turn, you know, that dream just seemed like it was slowly drifting away. But with 5 Links looking right now, I'll probably be retiring at the age of 45.